Investing in pre-sales and top new coins early, get the best price possible on favorable coins such as Dash2Trade and Roboterra. Staking and interest. Earn passive income on idle crypto coins. Play to earn games. Generate free cryptocurrency by playing NFT games. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to make money buying and selling cryptocurrency on exchanges. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. In addition to buying crypto and holding the tokens in a private wallet, there are many other ways to make money in the digital asset arena. The purpose of this guide is to explore how to make money with cryptocurrency across 8 identified methods. Investing in pre-sales and top new coins early, get the best price possible on favorable coins such as Dash2Trade and Roboterra. Staking and interest. Earn passive income on idle crypto coins. Play to earn games. Generate free cryptocurrency by playing NFT games. Here's all you need to learn regarding generating income from day trading if you're only commencing with cryptocurrency. By investing roughly $1,000 while monitoring a 10% increase solely on a single combination, it is possible to earn $100 every day in Bitcoin. Number 1. Investing in pre-sales and top new coins early, get the best price possible on favorable coins such as Dash2Trade and Roboterra. The first mover advantage is a concept that some of the most successful investors globally will incorporate into their investing strategy. The idea here is that investing in an innovative crypto product, top utility token, or service early, this type offers the most favorable entry price possible. In other words, those who had the foresight to invest in Ethereum during its pre-sale launch at $0 and 31 cents per token are now looking at gains of over 1.6 million%. Or by purchasing BNB when it was first launched in late 2017 at $0.11, gains of over 600,000% would have been realized. Gaining exposure to the most promising cryptos in 2022 requires the best crypto portfolio allocation. Although the first mover advantage will no longer be possible with legacy projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, or Cardano, there are plenty of other undervalued cryptos and deflationary cryptocurrencies on the table. Number 2. Staking and interest. Earn passive income on idle crypto coins. Those wondering how to make money with cryptocurrency for a passive stream of income have several options to consider. One of the best methods to consider in this regard is to sign up with a notable crypto staking platform. In a nutshell, staking is a tool that enables investors to generate interest in crypto assets that would otherwise sit idle in a private wallet. The tokens will be deposited into a blockchain protocol behind the scenes for the purpose of keeping the network safe and operational. Alternatively, some staking platforms offer flexible terms, which means the investor can reclaim their tokens at any given time. In terms of yields, this often depends on the cryptocurrency being staked and the length of the term. In most cases, staking a smaller cap token across a longer lockup term will generate the highest yields. Number 3. Play to earn games. Generate free cryptocurrency by playing NFT games. When assessing how to make money in crypto, a popular option for those on a budget is to consider a play-to-earn game. This concept is growing at a rapid pace in the cryptocurrency arena, as it offers many benefits that traditional gaming developers cannot rival. For example, play-to-earn games are usually built on the blockchain network. This means that gaming outcomes are backed by smart contracts for the purpose of fairness and transparency. Moreover, when players earn in-game assets, such as weapons or armor, this will be represented by a unique NFT that is stored on the blockchain. In turn, the player will actually own the in-game asset, which means it can be traded on the open marketplace. Number 4. Yield farming and lending. Deposit and lend crypto coins to earn interest. Wondering how to make money on cryptocurrency in the most passive method possible? If so, the best option on the table is likely to be yield farming or lending. Let's start with the former, which offers a way to generate passive income by lending idle cryptocurrencies to a decentralized exchange. For those unaware, decentralized exchanges utilize an automated market maker model as opposed to conventional order books, as found on centralized platforms. This means that in order for traders to buy crypto without a seller on the other end of the exchange, the automated market maker requires sufficient levels of liquidity. Number 5. Day trading. Actively buy and sell crypto to take advantage of volatility. It is also possible to make money trading crypto. Day trading offers an alternative to long-term investing, as the process requires the trader to actively buy and sell digital assets to take advantage of market volatility. In fact, the trader will likely enter and exit several positions throughout the day and avoid keeping a trade open past standard market hours. To make a profit with cryptocurrency day trading, the concept is to make small returns, but on a frequent basis. It should be noted that in order to make money with cryptocurrency via a day trading strategy, there needs to be a solid understanding of how to analyze the markets. This means performing high-level research on the pricing relationship between two currencies. Number 6. Long-term investing and holding. Buy and hold crypto for long-term gains. In stark contrast to day trading, the most successful investors in the crypto space will take a long-term buy and hold strategy. This, therefore, raises the question of how much to invest in cryptos to make a profit. Not only does this typically result in the best chance possible of witnessing sizable growth, but it is also the most suitable strategy for beginners. After all, investors simply need to buy their chosen cryptocurrency and leave the tokens in a private wallet. Nothing else needs to be done until the time comes to cash out. Crucially, when taking a long-term buy and hold strategy, investors can avoid the need to constantly check market prices. Moreover, holding onto a cryptocurrency position long-term enables the investor to ride out short-term volatility and wild pricing swings. Number 7. Airdrops, giveaways, faucets. Get free crypto tokens for completing tasks. This guide on how to make money with cryptocurrency previously explained that play-to-earn games enable users to earn free digital assets simply for playing games. Means there is often no requirement to risk any money. In this regard, there are actually several other options to consider that offer a nearly risk-free way of earning crypto. The first method is crypto airdrops. The process typically refers to newly launched projects that distribute free crypto tokens as a means to increase their exposure in the market that they are looking to target. To take part in a crypto airdrop, users often need to complete a basic task, such as following the project on social media or whitelisting their wallet address. Number 8. Mining. Help verify blockchain transactions remotely through cloud mining. The final option to consider when learning how to make money with cryptocurrency is mining. This refers to the process of connecting specialist hardware to a desktop device, with the view of connecting to the blockchain network. In turn, the hardware will consume electricity for the purpose of verifying blockchain transactions. When miners are successful in validating a block, they earn rewards in the form of crypto tokens. Unfortunately, mining large-cap cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is no longer feasible for the average user. On the contrary, the process is dominated by large-cap mining rigs with vast resources and access to the most specialist hardware technology in the market. The good news, however, is that it is possible to mine cryptocurrencies without actually buying any hardware or needing to consume sizable amounts of energy. However, most traders target at least 50% before they take profits. That being said, you can target 100% profits too before you decide to take. You can even target higher percentages. It really depends on how much risk you're comfortable dealing with. The average annual pay for a cryptocurrency trader in the United States is $112,931 a year. Just in case you need a simple salary calculator, that works out to be approximately $54.29 an hour. This is the equivalent of $2,171 per week or $9,410 per month. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.